What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Connor, back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Just pause it, whatever, like, comment, and subscribe. Because we're going up all the rest of the year. God dang me. And we finna make it right, dog. You know what I'm saying? So, where we at right now, y'all see by the title, y'all see by the thumbnail. We got the side by side, y'all. We got it. Well, not really side by side, but you know what I'm saying? It's behind them. You know what I'm saying? But we here. Just know that much. In the building. I said up fresh, man. A chicken rocker, a chicken rocker, a chicken boom. Hey y'all, hey, this dude right here, bro. This nobody. What for all my Lamar alumni, bro? If y'all know this man, y'all know this man, doggone. He used to have the auditorium rocking. Y'all forgive me, man. We dumb, man. But yeah, man, this dude right here used to have the auditorium rocking. I'm talking about everybody. Used to have all the doggone students up there booing the teachers and everything, man. This guy right here, shoot, man. But yeah, you know, we out here, man. We got fuel line. See, we got fuel tank up. God dang me. So y'all putting two and two together. We finna run this fuel line, and we're finna try to get this mother started and running. You know, we ain't talking about driving, but we just really want to see if this mother gonna take some fuel and drink. You know, she thirsty. She need a sip. She been dehydrated for some years, man. But that's what we doing right now. Finna get bro started. Y'all see it back there? Y'all see it back there? Yeah, we got the side by side, y'all. We got the Chevys here, man. Right here. So yeah, man, we trying to get bro to where he running. You know what I'm saying? To where he running and get ready to drive. So we can get ready and pull out. So yeah, man. Ma, what's it looking like, dog?
We can go ahead and make these AM fittings with this braided hose.
God dang me.
Y'all better watch that.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, if you're making braided lines, you're gonna prick your fingers. Do you take that part out?
Yeah. Take that off.
And then you just
put that on, and then that motherfucker gonna go off up in there, and we gonna make sure that we get the best seals. We gonna get better seals than the rubber. Shoot, man. God dang me. But yeah, man, like I say, this is just y'all seen last time we was here, so god dang me, this ain't nothing changed right there. Only thing that's gonna change is all this fuel stuff. So that's what we about to get to doing now. Y'all look at Black Sheba, dog. Look at Black Sheba. You know what I'm saying? Check out Black Sheba. Molly got action. Shoot, you know. Yeah, we finna get these bad boys on here. Really just easy stuff to do. Like I said, you just slide that on right there till it bottoms out. Screw it on. And then you slide this into the rubber end.
You gotta go all the way down there, though.
Yeah. Try to push that mug in as far as you can. Then what you say, try to thread it, twist it like you threading it on. Yeah. And then like
it's way easy if you got a vice.
Man, bro. Man, my doggone palm was hurting so doggone bad whenever I was doing that on the Tahoe, man. Cause I think I had put like 2 of those in the back, them compression fittings like that. And like I said, my hand was toe up from the floor up, man. But yeah, man, just out here. I ain't trying to put too much filler in here with all this talking and rah-rah and stuff, because I know how it is. Y'all get the fast forwarding and stuff. And I don't want y'all to do that. I want to keep y'all here and present. So, like I said, that's what we're doing right now. We'll tap in with y'all after we get up under the truck and start laying this line out. So, yes, sir. Oh, Lord. So, when y'all get, y'all ain't going to be able to see that, but y'all can kind of see a little bit of it, but it's gonna be bottomed out in there. So we got that one on there, and you just screw that on. It's gonna be kind of tight, so you're gonna have to have 2 wrenches to go on there and snug them up. But this is for anybody that's never messed with this type of stuff before. This is a, you know, if there's probably videos showing y'all, but you know. Yeah, it's the Molly in most of a different way. God dang me. Shoot. All right, YouTube, tapping back in. I'm on my back, man. See big bro over there. God dang me. Getting this all ran. we're gonna have everything like this. Something similar to what we got going on with the Tahoe. Something very, very similar. This is exactly how I was gonna run it had I not had the Corvette fuel filter and a different style system that I was running. But this is exactly how I was gonna run it. So we're getting everything mocked up for the supply going.
Is that fuel filter one blowhole in it?
Let's see. We had a little adjustment here. We good right here. Gucci? Okay. And see, this doggone thing right here is almost perfect for this.
Right,
Yeah, hold it. Yep.
You got the tape right there with you?
I can get it. Oh. Yeah, you too. We rocking and rolling with it. We got we getting it going. We good. He just knocked out. Put the tape. Can't find the tape. Do it the tape. Oh, thank you. Hi, thank you, niece. That's what we got our little mechanics help us for, because they see everything we don't. Couldn't even find the tape, and she found it. All right, get up on here. I'm tap in with y'all in a second, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we back at it, man. We back at it. Y'all see the Tahoe or the back, dog. Got some more stuff done up here. Show y'all where we at. It's a little temporary for right now because we got a little kink off up in there. So not with the vent hose that's coming off the side, but the main filler hose. There's a little kink in there. So we did get all the fuel line ran, the lines converted and whatnot. Got all those converted over, and they run along the rail. Again, this is how I would have did mine had I run the system like this, but everything's just going in about the factory location. We have put a little 90 right there off the fuel filter. It's not how we wanted it, but that's what we had to work with at the time. So yeah, man, we got everything all up. Like I say, y'all see he got the stuff painted. He painted the stuff, made it look a whole lot better. So like I said, we just got the fuel tank held up by this jack right now. Like I said, we're gonna put a couple of dollars worth of gas in here from the jug, and then we're gonna try to fire this thing up and see what it do. But yeah, like I said, here go all the old stuff. Got all brand new AN lines, ran pretty much from the front of the truck to the back. So yeah, we good, y'all. So yeah, man, we gonna be out here. He trying to go find a little thing for the battery right now, get that all straight. So yeah, man, we will tap in with y'all once we get this battery on and a little gas put in a tank and get ready to get fired up. Got niece in the back there, so she out here. That's why I say our daughters, they more fans than y'all is of us, man. You know what I'm saying? So you know, we thugging out here, man. Just trying to get it done and stuff. Y'all see Molly G back here. Y'all that ain't never seen that video, if I remember, I'm gonna try to link in the video for when I went on the first ride in this thing, man. That video did numbers, and YouTube kind of hold us on it. But you know, y'all, if y'all haven't seen that video, it is a lituation. Bro turned up in that video. So y'all please make sure y'all go check that out, bro. Like I said, and y'all just go do y'all research on this thing, man. This ain't no regular 350, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all go check it out, bro. But tap in with y'all here in a second. Yes, sir. The fuel pump prime. Might not be enough gas in there.
I hear something.
Oh Lord, the lines. Oh my Lord. All right, YouTube. That was a muscle addiction bad right there. I forgot to. Yeah, we good though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not enough gas?
Maybe.
Yeah. What the gauge say on there? Oh, okay. Yeah, probably. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We got a little miss, but we got a good miss, but you know, it might just need clearing out or something. Okay. We got fire. We got fire. And we ran. Let's go.
Oh, them spark.
YouTube. It's done cleared up a little bit since I just showed y'all. Y'all check this out. Under hood lights still work flawlessly. It's idled up a little bit for some reason. I don't know if the idle air control valve is a little cleaning up, but
Hey, you recorded some of the field line with my phone?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So it's burning off probably some oil and stuff right here, but when we started it up, y'all heard it. It was kind of missing a little bit, but I think it's done caught up now. Got really good oil pressure. I mean, oil pressure is looking amazing. Really, really good oil pressure. So yeah, it's looking real good, man. Like I say, we got your boy back rolling. You know what I'm saying? I think this fuel gauge might not be working right now because I know he put some gas in it. I mean, this should have moved a little bit, so I don't know. But yeah, man, got it running. It's running good, huh? It's running good, bro. Right. It's running a whole lot better.
I guarantee some of them injectors got unstuck in there.
I think so. Either that or, like I say, them cylinders got hot. You know what I'm saying? And maybe cleared up, you know, the spark plugs a little bit. But it's definitely running a whole lot better. I was telling YouTube, I said it might need an outer air control valve because it ain't idle back down yet. And it ain't like no old carburetor. I tried patting the gas to see if it would come down, but it never did. Hey, bro, listen to it, fool. That must sound good, bro. God dang. That must sound good, bro. What kind of pipes is them on there? I think it's a 2 in, 2 out, I think. Real good oil pressure. Real good oil pressure.
Stuck at 210.
210?
Yeah,
Is it pick?
Already up there.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it jumped up there as soon as it started. So
okay.
I don't know if
yeah, it needs some coolant. But yeah, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna make it too long. Like I said, I just wanted to show y'all just what happened when two mechanics get together. We got this put together so fast. And like I said, this is just a follow-up from the last video that I dropped. So yeah, man, we got it. But yeah, man, just gotta get this little brake situation figured out. And
never put water hose water in your cooling system because it's gonna look like that. You always want to use distilled water.
I see that gunk off up in there. So yeah, man. So yeah, man, like I say, I ain't gonna make it too in depth. All the rest of what I didn't show y'all in this video, y'all please go out and subscribe, browse, watch. Just, man, please, y'all please go support my bro. You know what I'm saying? Molly got added. If y'all enjoy my content, y'all will enjoy his content, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, we coming up together in there. So it's gonna be on the road soon, man. We done made progress, so we know we showing y'all that we ain't playing.
Once it starts, it's over.
It's over. It's over.
That's the biggest thing getting it going.
That's it, man.
2017.
Been a minute, man. So yeah, y'all got to hear it first. Y'all got to hear it first. You know what I'm saying? So coming to a street near you. God dang me. Might be with a trailer on the back towing this mug or Molly G. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse the channel. We're going up all the rest of the year. Most of the gang, we up out of here. Yes, sir.